Good morning. The sudden sell-off has spooked the markets, but now the question is what has sapped the sentiments. There was no major trigger for the swift selling except for the dollar's weakness. The key is to nimble and alert, especially now with the key indices close to all-time highs. Avoid chasing high returns in the small caps and mid caps as it is quite risky. Proper homework is a must before entering any new stocks in this space. The opening is likely to be a positive one, but the trading thereafter will hinge on how the world markets shape up. Most global markets are in wait-and-watch mode ahead of the US jobs data that will be out later in the day today. High unemployment is a major issue in the developed world as it looks to avoid a double dip. So naturally, the US payroll data becomes an important indicator of the short-term trend. Do not go up by the spurt in China as it is resuming trading after a long holiday. There could be some more selling as the market is looking slightly overheated. We might see a slightly volatile consolidation this month after a spectacular September, but the medium to long-term outlook remains upbeat. The Nifty violated critical support of 6,150 and closed below it. In the near term, the trend may turn lower with the formation of a bearish engulfing pattern on the daily candlestick chart and the Nifty breaching lows of the last 3 trading sessions. Hence, we would advocate a cautious approach in the coming days with levels of 6,070 acting key intermediate support. A fall below 6,030 could lead to a further drop. Still, 6,000 is seen as a strong support as of now. On the way up, the Nifty is likely to head towards 6,300 if it crosses 6,225. Be warned that a new historic peak for the key indices would not materialize without any short-term hiccups. Shares of Electrosteel, Steels, Orient, Green Power and Ramky Infrastructure will get listed on the bourses today. Food inflation for the week ended September 25th eased to 16.24% compared with 16.44% in the previous week. The government will make it mandatory for mining companies to pay annual compensation to land losers. GSM companies agree to cut call moving charges. Steel consumption in the first half of the current fiscal up 9.8%. 9 companies including TCS and Wipro have made it for the first round for the mega tender floated by UIDAI. Cairn Energy shareholders approve Vedanta deal. Jet Airways plans to raise $400 million through a share sale to foreign institutions may get delayed as the government deferred a decision on the proposal. Sun TV network chief Kalanithi Maran has acquired another approximately 5% stake in SpiceJet for 915 million rupees. Gitanjali Gems has made a bid to acquire 4 luxury brands of Italy's DIT group. Barclays Bank has acquired a 12.75% equity stake in back-office services provider Intellinet Global Services. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Crompton Greaves. We recommend buying the stock above levels of Rs 337.50 for a target price of Rs 350, and a buy on Cipla. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 332 for the stop loss to be maintained at Rs 326 for a target price of Rs 345. The derivative strategies are long Hotel Leela October future in the range of Rs 56.50 to 57 for a target price of Rs 61.50 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 54. And long BRFL October future in the range of Rs 259 to Rs 260 for a target price of Rs 269 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 254. Thank you and have a great day ahead.